The DM0. Subarashi desu.
Oh my god. Bad start hand.
Yeah, here.
Time for a bitch stab, into a bitch stab, into a bitch stab. By the way, Mikey, you guys are buying the deck, right? Pale Moon?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll just leave it with you guys now.
Sure.
And anything what you can, when you can.
Sure.
So hopefully within the next 2 months, maybe.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, with that money, can I Christian a spike Thursday?
Actually, how much?
Huh?
Which one?
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
Bring it.
I didn't ship you.
Bro.
I didn't ship you to them.
Ha? Ano gusto ko? Yung ko? Okay.
Ayun, lagay ko.
Tumingin ka sa deck.
Ikaw na bahala.
So, do you want to grab for me?
Wait lang. Pero basahin ako. Ano ba lifted sa ano?
Word lang.
Word?
How do you listen to recover? How do you do this under recover? Using Nova?
Basically,
When you get up, after...
Depende sa kung gaano maraming handshake iiwan niya sa akin.
Why are you asking?
Okay.
basically takes a break.
No pressure.
Yun na.
With
Pavel tayo nga.
Up to
No worries.
okay, and then how much and how many GRs does it come with? 1 GR obviously. Really?
So my op, and it's 5 up to triple R's. 4 of each up to triple R's.
How do you make
Cardinal.
this? How do you make them? No, I mean I'm just curious. What's your hand code with this?
No, I always keep exposure to
So start 1, 2, 3.
You just walk. What do you want to say?
They got my
Can I pass?
I know. Okay.
Let's spin
I get what you mean. I'll pass for now. I'm gonna have a budget first.
Yep, 1x. Check that. Hold last 2, check that.
31.
Okay.
Wait, he's still playing?
Yeah, he's magic.
He is territorial.
Right.
And he hates fighting me. No, he only not. No, wait, not he hates fighting me in Vanguard.
Here, pakatay mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, matay na ako ngayon.
Wag. Hindi, laro. Hindi normally.
Eds, pag namatay ka, make sure you have one overlord in the drop zone.
Yes, sir.
One ano?
Yes.
Wait.
Sa Dota.
Yes.
Good, skill.
Damage zone.
Burnout. Retire.
Actually curious ako, paano malalaman yung order? Is it like you decide
first.
first?
Yes.
Besides, and my deck is kind of tailor-made for the last deck.
Yeah. Both teams have to agree on the order before.
Right.
So cards in
10.
It's more interesting than
What is dito?
Okay.
then 14 crit.
So, charge 1.
Yeah, make sure when Chester gets there, your soul is big and juicy.
I don't have a deck.
What?
I know. I think Genesis into DI would be cool.
Cards in
One
hand.
last time in my
1, 2, 3,
yes,
4,
so-
5.
Ano muna?
Big ass hand.
That's- You want better that's- AF? Sabi ko yun. You want better AF?
So Kuyomi, tapos Genesis, tapos Dark Ring.
Oh, I have 50
Hindi
cards in
kailangan ng
solos.
booster nito, di ba?
Okay.
Tapos only 3 reasons.
Hindi.
And for each counting card,
Hindi, as you normally play, huwag mo isipin na masasap
You're not
agad.
I thought I was
Don't think you're summing up agad.
For every 10 cards.
Taas naman yung deck mo eh. It's gonna be fine.
Yeah, probably. No, not Gilderay. That's I'm on Legion.
okay.
Gilderay is, if you have 15 cards in soul, that's plus 10, plus 10 crit damage. Which is also pretty good. So you have 3 HP.
CP siya pag may bumuga.
Pag itinawag ang kalabas.
Feel the feel.
That's not bad.
Nakakadali kasi ng musika.
I can chip her to death, but at the final blow I can't.
Yes.
Sabi mo sa akin na expectation mo, para alam ko para ko tayo si set up.
Ako ba?
No, him.
Ako ba? Ano?
Did you go attack one to roll a hurricane? Did you go low on the hurricane? Yeah. Yeah, that's how you put it.
Okay, kung something goes out.
Yeah.
May block me din doon. May alis lang.
Oh my gosh, you're good at that.
You're getting better.
I'm getting worse now. Really nice difference. Really different. No, I said how you play Laura to go. Right when you search
Hindi ako sanay na magtitingnan ng 3. Kaya nagulit lang ako eh. I'm like, I'm gonna take 3?
O kaya crucial sino yung first nyo eh. Siya kasi magdadala ng buong game eh.
No pressure.
You can do it, Mikey.
You know you use like Laura. This is V Nation that.
Well played.
Nice one.
Hours left to third level.
21.
Ba't na-return na?
26.
So that's the sweetness that retires.
To Hesperides.
Ah,
Or
okay.
Hesperides or something.
26.
Wow.
See that hand size? Yan ang opening play.
Yun! Ano yun eh? Parang yung sa NBA ba yun? Parang pagpanik yung ano yung replacement. Tanggal sa kontrata ba yun?
Kasi ako si ako si Brian Scalabrine. Pinapasok mo pag sure na kayo.
Pakiulit ka sa camera.
You do? Remember that thingy?
It's not
Really?
very it's land here.
Nice one.
Nice.
Kaya pala binato ni Asa at saka ni Kyon yung laro para na maraming hawak si Rin. Gagawin mo ngayon na. Gagawin na.
That's the combo.
Caster of Death.
Oh no, he will retire.
Wait lang ha, ganito.
Alam mo yung maganda? Grand Blue sana. If the unit, if they could call other units besides Grand Blue.
Yeah.
Actually, kung naging para extreme fight format.
Extreme fight format siya talaga.
Holy crap, Grand Blue.
Hindi, anywhere.
Pag may na-retire sa'yo, CB2 siya, retire siya isa pa.
After con. Gusto retire.
Grand Blue called Laurel from Drop Zone.
You can?
There might be cards that can do that.
Ed's doing his thing.
Yeah, nagkaroon din sa dimension.
Ang maganda dyan, Blaster King.
That's too bad.
Blaster Joker, MLB, tapos Gas Blaster.
Mas Captain need a Nova Graph. Shit.
MLB Gas Blaster.
Ito nga, sinabi, kwento ko ako yan sila. Ano, tawag dito Bufiti, Tachikaze, Green Nature, tapos ano, Revenge, Shadow Punch. Yung Tachikaze, gano'n na yung pag nag-green sa yung pa rin yung Vanguard mo. Everything na nila sa'yo, babalik mo yung sa reverse.
It connected.
Lalo na pagdating ng Shadow, di ba?
Sayang.
Actually, you said it before.
Sorry.
Did it burn out?
Wala eh.
3 damage, is not
Balik ko lang.
much soul. What?
Wow, where's
Magagamit mo ba yung soul chest?
Ha? Oo naman!
Where's what?
My card needs to be elevated, you know. You know, it's just the soul, you know, my Vanguard needs to be elevated.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gotta face my phone.
Yeah, Mikey naman, star player.
14. 14.
So close. I got a fault then. If I hit out of your dead, right?
Trip siya ka muna.
No. No, if I go for it, I'm gonna hit you one.
Feels bad. Yeah. Good. Wow. Okay.
So 5 damage na.
Wow, ganda ng setup.
Bali automatic enter na yun, 5 damage, tapos palit na siya.
Iwa, may dalawang CB, wala overlord.
Pati yung main deck, yeah.
No, 10 your 10 card, 11 cards na. So you're gonna go.
Ikaw siya pa ba ito? Iba? Wala. 6 wala. 7. That's exciting.
Draw, stand and draw pa.
Puno na yun. Ayan, 11 na siya.
Draw
Yun
na.
yung-
Okay.
Okay. Dami hawak ha.
Yun nga eh. So yung magpamatay na.
Wag! Ay, hindi ko ma-sure. Hindi ko ma-ensure paano how will this work out.
Dami card.
If ever. I don't know how this will work.
Engine turn agad.
Let's try it. First things first. The release.
Strike na diretso.
What?
Gagana ba yun?
Yeah.
He washed his own
No, no, no. I mean,
Yeah. Dami.
Yeah, hindi.
Okay. Noted.
I am Overlord.
Pero kung hindi siya naglapag ng units, pag nag-drive check siya, nullified yung trigger.
Confirm. Jolie.
Where's Shadow?
He went out. Pinatid mo si Chinatown. Yeah.
Open.
Tayo na yung Velog. May Velog siya. Just saying.
May?
Velog ako.
So basta patagero.
Kaya pala yung AIDS.
Hindi. Lalagay talaga sa damage yun.
By accident. Velog ulit. Una.
Oh my God.
Ano siyang Velog.
Two swaps.
Close game, though. Close game.
Four.
Vanguard 15.
Wait, that's truly right.
Ilang damage ko dapat? 8 ako natalo diba?
Yeah.
Vanguard.
May soul charge yan, di ba? Or optional?
Anong soul charge?
Ito yung Vanguard niya.
Actually, do ako doon.
Right.
No guard me. No guard ako. Hindi na sa mga daming pits mo.
1 damage.
Wait, nung nag-kill siya, 3 damage pa rin or up to 8 pa rin?
Ito guard.
Hindi kasi wala
may
naman
swap.
special
Fight to guard lang.
di ba?
Okay.
So, ano pa rin, up to 8 damage pa rin.
Okay.
Bago magsaswap. Mangyayari lang yun pag isang player na auto-win condition kaya nag-lady siya ng Egor or na-take out siya.
So much soul!
Much soul.
Ubusin mo na yung soul. Last amin ko kontra sa'yo. Last amin ko kontra sa'yo.
Fire the Yamato cannon again.
Buhay pa yung focusing slash week. Gusto nyo?
Is that safe?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Pasok ko ba rin?
If I see Dotex,
That's what I was left with.
you can do that?
Fight lang.
Harder.
It's so funny.
Ano ba? Ay, nagamit ko. Okay na talaga. Fire ring.
Oh, so you can use this? It's so broken.
It's not broken.
You can Legion, right?
Pwede ako mag-Legion, right?
Mas ang dati eh.
Or pwede ako mag-Legion.
Pero Legion fail agad.
Okay.
Tayo ulit eh.
Pero gana pa yung onion.
Ayun o. Sound the kill it.
Okay lang, go.
First. Second. Stand. Power. Nag-pop pa yung stand.
Final lang.
Power Vanguard, Broken Heart skill.
Okay.
Broken Heart skill.
So plus 9 siya. So 20 siya.
Yes.
Okay. 21 lang.
Isa lang ba na tayo niya?
Yeah. Ay! Yeah, isa lang. Saan?
Okay.
Rest.
Hindi, nakastand.
Stand. Stand ako.
Stand trigger.
Okay, go.
Baka daw mamega mo.
Go!
21. I know. Dahil, sino?
Oh, the stand trigger was so relevant.
I know. So much. One more turn. One more turn. One more turn. Hindi tayo mag-gigil. Hindi tayo mag-gigil.
Okay.
Yung plano na yung mga teammates ko.
Tingnan natin kung kaya. Paminsan tatambo yun eh.
Wait, paano ito? Marami akong shits, pero dalawa lang pwede ko ibalik. Dalawa lang talaga mabalik.
Yung baba...
Babalik kay Eds, pero considered return 4 pa rin yun.
Sige.
Wow. Legion. So parang nawala ng dalawang cards yung drop zone mo?
Yeah.
Rush it. Never mind. Screw Nash. Let me use Nash.
Di ba tinanggal mo na sa drop zone, no? Tinanggal mo na sa drop zone.
Can beach.
Yeah.
Okay. Paglabas ni Ed, bigyan nyo.
1300.
Being intercept.
Sa'yo pala yung pinag-game ba? 41.
I don't wanna
Pero hindi ko laro.
Nice.
Wala, 10 years to. Yeah.
Or, yun.
Sisihin mo kakampi mo.
So, 5
Malaki
na siya,
sobra.
5 na siya, 5 na, down to 5 na siya, no?
Alright.
Okay.
Power is
2024.
Go, sir. Edge. Wait, sige, one is dalawang cards. Tanggal sa background. So yun, kunin mo muna pabalik. Ayun, yan.
Yung pang-lead.
Pero means ko.
Ready mo ulit.
Hindi pa. Nag-stand and draw pa lang siya.
Instead of 1 make small, I can run it again. Assuming mabubuhay pa ako.
Huwag mo isipin, huwag mo kami isipin.
Yeah.
Ilang cards gusto niyo may iwan sa
Wala.
akin? Ilang gusto niyo may iwan sa akin? Kasi
Iwala ka rin sa'yo.
No,
We'll meet you with what you...
Yeah, play. I like
Yeah. Don't, wag mo.
may isipin.
Take advantage of the Yamato Cannon.
Ay, yeah.
May
Wala kasi kung ano, may... Yung, alam mo yung nakamit mo dati, di ba? For Michael.
Gusto niyo bang ano, Marks?
think so?
Oo.
Bakit?
Kukunin niya yung maelstrom shit ko eh.
Yes, sige. Pag-usapan niyo
41.
para ako mag-handle.
Next. Gusto niyo bang ganito?
Nasa loob ng...
Magkano kaya Chester? Lunatic. Benta mo yun.
Siguro 4 is good or anything above would be fine. Ano? Ikaw, depende sa'yo.
Ito ba?
Narinig so.
Wow, good.
Sige ba?
Nakala kong
Nakawala na ako mali.
Sorry.
Oh. Wow.
out of nowhere.
Majuma.
Out of nowhere. On the side.
And King Blizzard.
The GG zone. Ang tawag natin doon, the GG zone.
16 man.
So, hindi ako mamatay ka.
Okay.
Pero muna ako sa pag-blessings.
3.
Okay.
Six man. Okay yun. Action talent.
You love me that, don't you?
Gotcha.
Maki is on fire!
Yamato Cannon.
Grabe. Kasi ko nag-gets.
Pero yung decks, do they have to be decided already?
Oo.
Oh.
Laro, casual lang naman tayo, kaya dahil ng video nagpapalit eh.
May fam.
How's it, Andy? What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, fam.
May tutorial pa sa Bakit? Fine din yun.
There's everything in
Sabi mo siya.
What?
guys.
No, it has to beat you.
I think this is in the show.
Ano ulit? Plus ilan?
Okay.
Plus 15 and retire.
Pep talk.
He's a bad guy.
Wait, ilan yan? 2, 4, 6, 7. Sige, heal ka isa.
Pero mamatay
Pag nag-8 damage ka, switch player.
Hindi,
Automatic.
hindi. Mag-heal siya eh. So hindi na. Hindi na.
May ka ba? May ka ba?
Hindi na.
Hindi pa nag-heal.
The number 2.
Let's go. Wait lang, sige.
He likes boys.
Let's let him resolve first.
2, 3, 4,
5, 6. Yan yung tatlo eh. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take 3 mana plus 6 vanguard mo.
Retire and... Yeah.
That's you.
14.
You see the statue? What's up?
Wow, pinatay talaga to.
No, rear guard yung attack mo.
Rear guard.
Tama pala. Thanks, Nats.
Bakit hindi ko magana pag inatak sa rin?
Kailangan Vanguard yung natakay ni
He
Beno.
needs a
Kasi
defensive vanguard for the skill to work.
yung skill kasi ni Beno, binibigay niya sa Vanguard. Yung...
You just did boss.
Hirap ka ba sa Genesis? Yo,
Ha?
Hirap ka ba sa Genesis?
Time to Demeter! Put that soul back!
Kaya.
Skill.
Dalawa na ka na. I'm the beast right now.
Try and use me. Try and use me.
Get that tar. Ipon na. Ingat sa camera.
Ay, sorry.
Ang dami niyang card sa kamay, paalala.
Okay.
Baka kasi mahina na naman eh.
Chip. It's gonna be...
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Should I strike? Yes, I
Let's
should.
recover.
Like,
Hindi na i-face up sa atin ng Jesus. Chester.
3.
3. Okay.
Pwede yun. Wala na kayong
Nine
boss
cards.
na hindi makamit sa Jesus.
Pamatay na ako.
Oh. Ano ka, magsusuicide ako pag
Ano lang?
Is it the first player?
Yes.
Ano? Pag gina-gear chronicle ka, plus 3 for every card.
Alam mo pinakamalakas
Ilang subs ka na? Ilang subs
Wala,
ka
wala.
na?
Atmo.
Wala pa, pero mag-swap siya. So,
Lisa.
Isa ba yun?
Lisa.
Kaya naman.
Plus, oh, like 16 cards face up in Jesus. 5 times 16 plus 80,000.
Oh my God. Can block this team.
Yeah, pretty much. Sa PG lang.
Lock is
Power.
Yun lang.
Skill.
Should I spare the cards? Kung kaya. Ilan kaya? Depends on how much power they
maybe
have.
trigger to place the cards. Okay, great.
Yung mga 24 ah.
Sure.
Yung 24.
Repeat this dimension.
Kung meron kayong paglagay ng
No, harder.
3 soul.
Both
Bugat.
Nag-heal ulit si Yua.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
You doesn't want to die.
Yeah, he got 6 damage. That's pretty cool.
Nag-heal siya ulit?
Yeah. Kailan to?
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swaps. And 2
10
triggers.
4, 31.
And 2 triggers.
39. Kailan to?
16.
Draw.
Lol. Last round.
8 cards.
So, di na magkatapos yung turn ko, even if I have 1 more attack.
No, wala na. Turn end to him. So, alanganin niya, if your opponent's at 4 damage and your vanguard doesn't tap yet, wala kang card check.
1,
Neo.
3, 4, 5,
Wait, you are.
6, 7, 8.
Draw card.
Stand.
No, forward.
And drop.
Forward. Pag para sa ulo kayo.
He asked for you to
Wait lang, sorry.
Even as what?
Even as it is strength.
Saan ba?
That's such a Chinese thing to do.
Oh, is that?
Lance, did the guy from Dragon Forge apply?
I haven't checked, sorry.
Okay.
I'm choosing somebody I have no idea how to do.
Strike.
They didn't find one.
Did one?
Ano ba yung guy
Yeah,
receive?
good luck, man.
Please.
Sorry about that.
Ay, no.
Cannot call grade 1.
To report that you have to discard and change my number.
Hip.
Tama, diba? Choose 2 of your other cards lang, diba?
Oh, your range.
Damn, GM.
Ha. Plus plus.
You're good.
Chester and Mikey are setting up William for the greatest Blizzard turn ever.
Kaya ko yung BGN, diba?
Yes. Okay.
Except your rear guards. Wala ka ba great nature?
No.
Chimera, Aegis Silver.
Cannot call grade 1s.
Chimera,
Three, two, one.
No, share grade 1s.
Kupalo mo.
Buhay na naman si Nash. Hindi ba nakatay?
Alam mo, pag sinasabi mo Nash, naisip ko si Nash. Yung... Okay.
Eh, yung pangalan lang namin. Street Fighter niya si Nash.
2 swaps.
PG, 2 swaps. Triple drive. First check.
I have no
Second
idea.
check. Third check. All effects. 2 swaps. 25. Vanguard.
About 0. I about 1.
Yes.
Kadiri ka.
It's still here in my hand.
I know.
Okay. Swaps. 20. Counter plus 1. Stand plus 4.
1 damage, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's good.
So, wait lang. This is 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22.
Ilan swaps yan?
Bakit tuloy ko ba?
2 swaps.
Wala na ba?
No. More than 4 swaps. 4 swaps.
19 siya. Ah, plus 8.
Plus 8, 17. Ilan yan?
22. Ah, well, 10.
Zero minus.
Math skills after 8 level.
Okay na.
Alright.
I just really bad at this guy.
Zero, ay,
Attack sa Vanguard.
Venom. Venom.
Lang.
hindi, record din ko. Yeah,
Pero,
hindi siya pwede mag-belog.
that's why reading is good, kids.
Hindi siya pwede mag-belog kasi...
Yan.
No, I'm thinking if I should...
That's why he's reading good kids, di ba?
I'm thinking if I
The
should...
Yu-Gi-Oh community.
Ay, shit, hinalo ko, sorry.
Okay na.
End of turn, retire. Skill, search. Grade 3. Tapos skill.
This guy in the chunky is getting his phone for 3K.
Samsung S7.
Old.
S7.5
Over charger.
2 years old.
You know what's weird? Baka hindi ko papalitan. I don't know.
Doesn't need to. Yeah, if he needs trying, he doesn't need a hard.
Yep.
Oh no!
Oh my God.
Sige.
How many swaps?
7 na, no? Okay.
Iniwan si Joe Rupert, ha? May plano daw. Ilan yan?
7.
7?
I don't think it's...
Hindi, may broken heart ka.
Hindi mo bro.
Hindi.
Naka-strike siya eh. Sa ba?
Okay na siya.
Hindi siya... No, sir. Okay. Okay.
8 swaps.
Sige.
Naman tayo sa grind.
It's fine. Dami na lang.
May naulog na card.
It's not a card. It's a napkin.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kaya kiss an enabler. Hindi pwede mag-enabler na. Pag 8 damage talo ako.
Oo, pag mag-enabler siya.
Kasi parang ano eh, self-inflicting niya yun eh.
Smoke galore.
Plus 18. Vanguard. 16.
34.
It's so annoying how to make it.
34.
Kaya mo yan? Vanguard.
Dogger.
Talim lang. Power draw.
2 damage. First, power. Second, power.
What? How?
6, 7.
Dang it.
Isa pa.
No.
Dang it.
How you know?
21.
Alright. Well, I was testing you.
This guy is using my...
Strike.
Who needs to ride?
Mana girl. Ball. Into soul. Pag na-retire siya, draw 1. Call.
Ryan Shin-chan.
Pag 6 soul niya,
Call.
buga.
Give skill. Pag na-retire, search grade 3. Mana girl skill.
Oh. How do you beat? How do you beat him?
Ganyan. Hindi, sasabihin ko sana, lagyan mo dito yung face-up G units mo.
Hindi, sige lang kayo dyan.
Para alam kung ilan.
Chill. O, ayan o.
Hindi siya. Go.
Bagger.
She is scared. She was running. Oh! Light punch.
I can do this!
Nasaan yung number no? PG. Yeah, it's up. Ayan.
Do it punch, man.
So,
Parang maaga pa pala siya.
Punch.
sige.
Wala, wala.
Oh, I go.
Wala na akong nasir. Katanga. Wala nga sir.
Okay.
Medyo dapat wala kang kwenta.
Stop
Wala na ba
it.
ito?
One swap.
Okay.
13.
PG.
Oh.
Try.
Alat.
22.
I can
Bagger.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
7.
Hindi ka na pala mag-take.
13 ka na. You are?
Lance, sorry.
He's gonna attack on you.
No, as spam, you just
This is, you know, dami cards.
Sorry, ilan yung attack?
Yeah, how do I attack?
You never block, bro.
I do.
I'm sorry.
You never did any special. You just spoke. You didn't do anything.
Wait,
You just spoke.
Okay, I'll bring it. Thank
You
you.
can't guard no.
You spoke to the
Not mine.
Don't guard it up.
Ito yung sakat ng GN eh.
I don't know which is which.
Ah, wait. What? Third deck? Second. Oh.
Ito yung sakat ng GN eh. Pag tinayo, tuyo eh.
I'm sure of that. Mine is broken last week.
End of turn. Retire. Skill.
It's pasunod deck.
Visit na ako ah.
What is that pasunod? You know what?
Try CBD.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Stride.
Go.
Parang sunod ka na. I don't think I can hold.
Bigyan mo. Conserve hand ka now.
Wombo combo.
Hindi, pero feel ko
One swap.
I need everything.
Two swap.
I don't think we can last 2 players.
Dami kong PCB naman. Kaya mo.
No.
Napanin.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, nice.
One card in hand ka na lang? One card in hand ka na lang?
Yeah.
Ouch!
Secretly Williams like, yeah.
2 stops.
3. Magiging 4 cards na.
Hindi siya mo plus na 7 lang siya.
Ah.
Papasa.
Go down. Wala nga. Gusto na lang ano eh. 1.
30s. And
Tutu talaga. Tutu talaga.
Anong dami?
Okay.
Share it more.
57 How fast does he, how does he do that?
Ah, look at those guys. That's a lot of muscle.
15 Vanguard.
15. Lang. Ito ilan?
22.
22?
3 swaps. Plus 6.
Dito na pala.
Ano gusto na ba?
Ilan yung cards?
8.
Hindi, kung kaya mo, ano, i-guard mo.
Or, William.
Ha?
32.
Huh?
Never mind. Isip ko kasi, pag tinake niya, hindi niya drive
O,
check.
hindi nga eh.
Yeah.
Oh, tapos next turn, patayin mo siya.
Oh,
Then you
pwede
have
rin.
with 1 card.
Yeah.
Pero di ba, tinake, ignore na eh.
Ah, di ba drive check?
Yeah,
Oh, hindi na.
kasi it was turnover. So sometimes it's better to just take the real card. Yan ang kailangan ko sa Aqua Force eh. The Vanguard that has to attack last. So my opponent has to take advantage of this.
Power. Skill like yan. Power. Skill.
Oh, top. Wala eh. Hindi naman natin maririg yan eh.
Plus 5.
5 swaps plus 5. Skill.
Mali, dapat tinake ko na kanina.
Yellow.
Takin na kasing stride yun eh. Ano yun? 6 drive check, 1 crit. This is like the least efficient shit ever.
Skill.
Mas don't hurt the sleeves, okay?
No, wait. No, that's wrong.
Ano pa naman lang?
I think still there. Okay.
Yeah, actually. They're different deck nun. Sorry, this can help let's finish the game now.
Yeah, power was that?
Sorry, the last 2 games na
Wait lang. Ito yung mga sumunod ko.
Wala.
Ganon. I mean, plano kasi Zully has your name on it.
I don't like this game. This game too hard.
Should have taken the damage. Given the 8 cards.
Wala sa plano kasi Zully, lumabas yung Zully ah. Wala sa plano kasi Zully, pero Zully talaga.
Okay. Yes.
Skill. Ah, tama. Wala rin pala.
I-edit out na lang may ano. I-edit out na lang yung
Sige. 5.
Ay, gago, may misplay ako. Sorry, may misplay ako. Hindi ko to ginamit.
6 swaps, 1 swaps.
Magdodraw ko sana.
11.
I have to draw one more sana.
Oh, well.
11.
1 swaps.
1 swaps.
Ferdinand.
3.
4. 4? Gagawin mo kung ka. Na-sense ko, gago ka.
So, 7 cards?
Yup.
May pala dapat.
7 cards and then stand and draw.
7.
Cards pa lang yan, ha?
Wow.
7. Yan, 7 na.
Yeah.
Yan ang stand and draw. Stand and draw.
Saka draw pa.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Colossus! Skamba! Colossus!
Uy. Yeah. Hindi kailangan ko to eh. Strike. Ferdinand. 3.
Or? Diretso na, pwede na naman. No.
Okay.
Ikaw, sige.
1.
Parang tama naman. Parang.
Strike skill. Bottom pa to.
Counters.
Ginagawa niya ito.
Standing.
Stand unit plus 4 at the end of the turn.
For some reason, no one's playing a boomers. You see there? A boomers.
Who is? Akuma?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's not. He's over at Tekken fighting.
Ay, gago,
fighting
pwede mo
Ayachi.
i-melee ba? Go ka! Uy! He can use that thing to call Melim, use that thing to restart Melim, then use Melim to call some shit.
Yep.
So, kailangan boosted to, no?
Yes.
Attack, skill. Balik ko to. Bottom. Bottom yan. Ay, toto.
Skin at turn with grade 1.
Bago ko mag-guard ng grade 1, 33,000.
Power doesn't matter. It's a full foot or it's a win.
Ayaw.
Power, Vanguard, draw, broken heart skill.
At the 7 na siya.
7 na siya. So,
Resist.
20,000 yan.
Yeah. Ay, 18
lang. 18, Vanguard.
Resist. Skill. CB1.
20 na siya.
20 na siya.
Ay, hindi. 22 na ako. Tama ba?
22.
Ano talaga?
Kasi nag-swap ka, naglapag ka ng
Tapos
Noziel, tapos naglapag ulit, di ba? So 22 na siya.
Inaabot na, guard or rear guard.
So, last 2.
Shit.
Trigger.
Ilan yan? Skill.
Eh, ganun din yun eh. Yeah, 60.
Yeah.
Hindi, mag-guard niya kasi nag-grade 1 yung next stage eh.
Hindi, okay lang yun. At 2 attacks ka pa rin.
Kaso ba? Tinitipid ko kasi pang in case dumating na yung susunod.
Sige ikaw. Okay lang naman. Alam, bumuga ako. Tuyo. 6 fucking drive checks, 1 crit. What's that?
Skill. Wait. Not with that. Okay.
Ha?
Wait,
Hindi,
Trigger tinatak ko eh.
Okay, fine. Sige.
That's enough.
Saan na daw?
That almost never works somehow.
Dang it, man. Get your shit together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shit.
Pag na-deck out ka, tapos less damage ka ng by 1. Paano ka? Pag 10 damage na kayo, paano ka?
Right. Hindi lang ako yung pipili yan. 1 swap. Skill. No wait.
Down 0.
Wala pa naman nangyayari. What's the space up?
Yeah, face up yan.
You think you can infinite attack?
Sige.
Yung sa card fight online.
Hindi, ano yan? Strike to victory yan sa 3 days.
Swap na lang. Swap. Kaya mo survive?
Kailan ba ito?
Ano na half? Wala ka pa tinitake. Wala ka pa tinitake. You can take up to 3 damage.
Okay.
Pero...
Hindi nga ito. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Nice one.
Three glitters. 7, 13.
Okay, fine.
Two swaps. 3 swaps.
2 swaps. Nabulot pa niya.
This is for you, fam.
Yeah, kung kaya mo infinite na tap, then sure. Well, kaya.
5 swaps.
Oh, come on!
Ferdinand, William.
2.
Should shuffle right there.
Oh my God, not again! Plus 18. 7 yung isa.
No guard.
15 member.
Ilan? 15?
16.
First one, second time, shower band.
9 swaps, right? 9, 8, 27, 23.
Also, guys, we're missing a Street Fighter card just in case anyone knows where
26.
cover the map.
Big number.
Yeah.
40.
PG. Oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, it's so fun. How about up to you?
Okay, through there.
It's still fun. Did you get
Power.
Oh,
Skin.
How come you put it
11 swaps. 12 swaps. So 24 plus 15, 39.
Skin.
41.
How much?
That's 5.
Okay.
20.
Kaya mo yun.
41.
Reports in deck. Nasigyan mo na.
All you.
I counter last two
Hindi na magagay. 5 cards? Can you live with 5 cards?
I retired.
Right.
Okay. Power.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wala na yung start.
So, stick.
Kapalit. Oh, sige, sige. Go.
26, 1 card.
And I draw it for that.
Rock!
For that. So the stick.
Skill.
Let's skip.
Ah.
Turn is over.
Okay.
5 cards.
Okay.
Hindi ko na set up yung Myers and Sir.
Ito.
Mali yun.
Wala na.
So, entered. Automatic. Yeah.
Uy, saan mag-blitz sa
Wala na.
Ano, pag-open ko dito, tangin na nga na!
Stand and draw.
Wala, sinunod kita eh.
Shit.
Holy shit. I
Hindi lang booster.
Kita.
Start. Oh, I can do her. I know him first. Meron.
Mandami silang tayo, no? 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. Ha? 3, 6, 6, 8, 10, 9, 10. Okay. Two damage na nga. Ah, 1 damage na nga.
26.
Ayaw skin.
Pag-plug ano, superior ball.
What?
Pagda.
Pag nag-hit?
1 hit. 1 card to soul. Superior code 1 from them.
So, 26. 1 to pass. Oh, wait. Tutukas. Tutukas.
Oh. Okay. Yes, no good.
Kailanganin yung power.
Man, you escaped so much shit there, man. 5 to go. Okay. Guess you want that then.
35.
5.
No.
Saan ba talaga?
Uy!
Gago!
Strike!
Gago!
Strike skill.
What? Yo.
Wala na.
Yep.
No, bro.
Ah, what? That's it?
Sorry na, sorry na.
Wait. Shit. Yun mali.
Eh, tama.
Patungo mo na lang si Gigi. Para may ano ka. Ay, ikaw.
Eh, ganun tama yan. Bali, Ferdinand?
7.
7. Sorry,
That's okay.
Oh.
What's fun though?
Wala ko ng great researcher.
Ito, ito. 11, Vanguard.
Natuwa ba sila sa isang lugar? Hindi na.
Skill, TikTok, timing.
Pwede.
Because if they prefer going here, then PCI.
Skill, mede.
Oh, shit. Oh, again. Tinlong. Sabi sa'yo, sure.
Paano na? Ganun din eh.
Sige.
14 Vanguard, skill. Timing.
Patungo mo na lang. Sardo.
Skill.
Inert niya.
Ang ginagawa.
Bottom of deck.
Bottom of deck, draw 2 cards.
Return 1.
Return 1 ako. Return natin.
Ito OTT.
11 Vanguard.
Lahat kompleto na eh.
Nag-mat ka ba? I-use na mat?
Fuck! Okay.
That's
30
Ken on the
33.
spectrum. You should use a map. You have a map.
Bottom.
That when you battle on the okay?
He's not, he's not listening. Wait for him to listen.
Also okay.
Triple drive.
Fuck. It's not the trigger we need. It's not the trigger we need. That's not the trigger we need!
Nova lang, pre. Nova lang. Puta, misery pa yung nalagdag.
21.
Wait, last na to, no?
11.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Dalawa pa. Live on the edge fan.
Wag naman.
21.
May power na ba yan?
21. Wala power.
21 ba yan?
Oh, 21 to. 15k to guard.
Live on the edge fan.
Skill.
Crit na yung kunin mo.
Yeah.
I know what you can do next time.
Crit na yung. Pwede rin stand.
Instant na.
Open ba to?
Dito sa bottom. Superior one.
Personal?
5.
That's it.
9.
9?
9. 8.
8.
Nag-8 naman.
Back to 8.
Damn.
Can't fight super good players. I guess
Ayan.
makapag-adjust tayo.
Tactic lang.
I have her going now.
After this match.
What happened? What's the status of everything?
Tipikal.
You kept the place.
Ang ginagawa niya?
On a half? CB2. 1 card to soul. Spiritual. 1 unit for each open.
For each what?
Benjizo. You got screwed.
So, dalawa, tatlo, ganun.
1, 4, 6.
Oh my God.
1, 4, 6. And if you're gonna ask kung may burn
Misery.
Wala naman extra crit yan. At saka walang on hit.
Wala naman. Thank you.
May triple drive. Tignan natin.
Charging.
No guard.
Critical trigger.
Puta rin.
Then, power.
Critical trigger.
Wait! Spike Brothers.
Damage. Power Vanguard.
Oh, we needed that other power.
DMC roll.
Ilan yan?
So,
I recommend it for
25
25.
plus 30.
Bakit?
But 30.
May power. Ah, may power.
30-15 to guard.
I like how the damage is almost all Angel Feather.
Deck.
Is it all?
Yeah, I'll flip that.
Yung killer.
16?
16 yun. Everywhere.
Kapal ng drops.
Tapos, sa sword. Search like for any reaction.
Oh my god.
Plus 10.
Okay.
Who's skilled?
30. 25.
25
Plus 5 pa to, di ba?
Oh yeah, 30.
30.
30 yan?
Plus 5 to.
Oh fuck.
Plus 5 yan? Oh my god. Shit.
Pansin ka mo eh.
Ilan na to?
16 ka na.
Hindi.
10 damage ka na.
10 damage ka na. 1 turn.
Wala na. Wala na.
Picado.
Spike Brothers! Now that was a good relay.
Spike Brothers.